DIY home improvement market is expected to reach $1,174 billion by 2032, growing at a moderate CAGR of 4.5% between 2026 and 2037. Market segmentation includes product types such as building materials, paints and wallpaper, decor and indoor garden, plumbing materials and equipment, tools and hardware, lighting products. Primary end users are residential and commercial structures. Based on distribution channel, the market is divided online and offline retails. Key players in the DIY home improvement market include Amazon, Walmart, Ace Hardware, Home Depot Incorporated, Flipkart, Kesco Corporation, Kingfisher plc. The regional analysis of the DIY home improvement market focuses on areas such as North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, South America, and Africa. Please click the link in the description to get a free sample of this premium report. Thank you for watching.